In a world filled with financial uncertainty, mastering the art of money management is crucial for securing your financial future. Today, I'm sharing with you the 10 golden rules of money management that will help you take control of your finances and build wealth. Rule 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Knowing where your money is going is the first step towards financial success. By setting clear financial goals and tracking your expenses, you can ensure that every dollar is working for you. Rule 2. Save before you spend. Pay yourself first by automatically setting aside a portion of your income into savings or investments. Building a financial cushion will provide you with security and peace of mind. Rule 3. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize returns. By creating a well-balanced investment portfolio, you can weather market fluctuations and grow your wealth over time. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 4. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on financial news and trends to make informed decisions about your money. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities and seek professional advice when needed. Rule 5. Be a smart spender. Practice frugality by living below your means and looking for ways to save money on everyday expenses. Cutting unnecessary costs will free up more money for saving and investing. Rule 6. Plan for the future. Set long-term financial goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably, having a clear plan will keep you on track towards financial success. Rule 7. Invest in yourself. Your most valuable asset is your own skills and knowledge. Continuously invest in your education and personal development to increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities for growth. Rule 8. Find balance. While it's important to work hard and save diligently, don't forget to enjoy life and prioritize your well-being. Finding a healthy balance between work, financial goals, and personal happiness is key to long-term success. Rule 9. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude and generosity by giving back to others. Whether it's through donations, volunteering, or acts of kindness, sharing your wealth with others can bring fulfillment and create positive impact in the world. Rule 10. Celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge your financial achievements and milestones along the way. Celebrating your progress will provide motivation to continue managing your money wisely and reaching even greater heights of financial success. Remember, mastering the 10 golden rules of money management is not just about building wealth, but also about creating financial security and freedom for yourself and your loved ones. Take charge of your finances today and watch your financial future soar to new heights.